Could a forgotten cartoon fragment hide a blueprint for a modern AI-crafted revival? In a dusty archive, a 1930s short reveals a weather-speaking parrot whose lunar forecasts outsmart the meteorologists of its era. A bold AI-voiced reconstruction reanimates the parrot with voices that shift mood and tension per scene. Each mini-tale that follows clips stray from the main feature, uncovering secret origins of character quirks and unlikely friendships. The result is a 7-minute mosaic that tightens suspense as new voices unlock long quiet panels and fresh twists.